Cheetahs can run 75 miles per hour, but all birds can dive way faster than that, even though cheetahs are the fastest land animals. Here are the top 5 fastest birds in the world. Number 5, Eurasian hobby. It can fly 100 miles per hour and dives. It is related to falcons and is found in Europe and Asia. Number 4, white-throated needletail. It is found in Siberia and Asia, so it is very rare. Oh, and it also goes 105 miles per hour and dives. Number 3, gyrfalcon. It is mostly always found in the Arctic, and it is the biggest falcon in the world. Its top speed is 130 miles per hour. Number 2, golden eagle. It can fly a top speed of 200 miles per hour. It is found in North America. It can fly up to 4,572 meters. Number 1, peregrine falcon. It can fly up to 242 miles per hour. It is found in every continent except Antarctica. However, only 20% of peregrine falcon attacks end up in a kill. However, a human broke the speed of sound. His name is Felix Baumgartner. He went 729 miles per hour and his freefall lasted 4 minutes 19 seconds. So, first place is actually rewarded to humans.